Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you came around. Thank you so much. Let me show you how I prepared this puff puff. It is so easy to make, very delicious and nutritious as well. So stay tuned and watch to the end. So the first thing is to add 1 teaspoon of yeast, add warm water, add honey, and mix together. You can also use sugar instead, but I prefer to use honey. So I'm just going to whisk it until it is well dissolved. I will set that aside and allow it to activate. So here I've just added 1 cup of plain flour and I will sieve this, and in total I'll be using 3 cups of plain flours. Here I'll add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'll sieve all into the bowl. That is done. Now I'll whisk 2 eggs, which I'll be adding into the bowl. Now I'll be adding all the wet ingredients. Here we have the whisked egg and here we have the yeast mixture. I will mix all of this together. Next is to add warm milk and combine all together. And be careful to add your milk gradually until you get the right consistency. Now that all the ingredients are well combined together, I will cover the bowl and allow the batter to rise. How quickly the batter rises depends on the temperature of the room. Batters containing yeast tend to rise quicker in a warm environment. At least you should allow your batter to rise a minimum 30 minutes, but my one stayed longer because of the environment is much humid and cold. So it stayed literally more than an hour to rise, but it came out so beautiful. So now this is the final step. So I'll be showing you guys how to shape and scoop your puff puff before frying it. Now I just want to take the time to appreciate all my subscribers, my recent subscribers, my OGs on this channel, or if you're yet to subscribe, I really want to appreciate you all for coming to watch my videos, for actually clicking on this video. I do appreciate you. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support, all the likes, comments, sharing my videos. I really do appreciate you guys. So guys, you've seen how I scooped the puff puff batter, and now I'm scooping it into the hot oil to fry. Make sure to always turn the puff puff around so not to burn, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching up to now. I really do appreciate you guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching this recipe. Please let me know if you're going to be trying it in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Share my videos, like, subscribe if you are yet to. And I'm going to see you all in my next one. Stay blessed and God bless you all. Bye.